Hello, this is Cheol Jang from University of East Anglia. My research is about the challenges of Ethiopian ICT and education policies. Ethiopian government has invested in this field for about 20 years. However, when we observe actual ICT implementation inside of classroom, it's difficult to find. So this study aims to address what factors actually influence the teachers' ICT implementation. In particular, I focus on stakeholders' perspective, including national government, international, and private organization. When it comes to theoretical framework, I use Bruno Latour's Acts Network theory, specifically borrow Latour's seatbelt examples. So transferring his logic to Ethiopian teaching context, teachers are a driver, ICT is a seatbelt that is supposed to be properly connected for quality education. So this research utilized a qualitative ethnographic approach to collect data, took over the period between November 2016 and December 2017. And I employ three main research methods: semi-structured interview, classroom observation, and document and literature analysis. There are three key findings that are all agreed by stakeholders. First one is teachers' belief. Ethiopian teachers do possess a very positive belief towards ICT implementation in teaching. However, their belief is hard to translate into pedagogical practice inside of classroom. The second is teacher training. Most of ICT teacher training in Ethiopia is focusing on technological skills rather than pedagogical skills. So they do not know how to use ICT for pedagogical purposes. Third is materiality. Although materiality could possess a very universal value, but it does not reflect Ethiopians' own sociocultural characteristics. So for example, malfunction of ICT materials sometimes demoralize teachers' ICT practice inside the classroom. There are hidden factors as well, which is the political clique. For instance, when school principals have a very strong connections with the government, all the ICT project and all the funds goes to a certain schools and regions. And there are two implications I've raised here as well, but for the time limitation, I just leave it as now, and please contact if you need any questions. Thank you very much.